Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nofisharani. I'm from Big A class, the 8th semester. In this video, I will explain about program experimentation, action research, and research and development. Well, the first, I will describe about program evaluation. The first, program evaluation model. 1. Discrepancy model. Evaluation of the discrepancy model according to proposed in Ferdinand is to determine the level of conformity between the standards that have been determined in the program with the actual performance of the program. Standards are defined criteria while performance is the result of program implementation. The second, model CEPP. CEPP is an evaluation model in which the evaluation is carried out as the whole as a system. Evaluation of the CEPP model is a concept applied by Safolbein with the view that the important purpose, context, situation, or background that affect program planning, coaching. B. Input, quality of input that can support the execution of the coaching program. C. Process, program implementation and use of facilities in accordance with that have been planned. D. Product, the result specific in implementing the program. The third, responsive evaluation model. RIM emphasizes on a qualitative naturality program. The purpose of the evaluation is to understand all the components of a program through different points of view, so giving meaning or describe a relative purpose. Fourth, formative summative evaluation model. Formative evaluation is carried out when program implementation is underway. Evaluation formative provides feedback on an ongoing basis to assess development program. Meanwhile, summative evaluation is located at the end program implementation. For mission model, the mission model expresses many thoughts from Edward L. Tordick and Robert L. Abel. This model is very focused in measurement activities in order to determine the quantity of a certain attribute owned by object, people, or event in the form of a certain unit of measure. 6. Goal-free evaluation approach. Objective-free evaluation model means that of the evaluator of assessors take from various response of record of the real or context includes the first reaction evaluation or reaksi, learning evaluation or pembelajaran, behavior evaluation or tingkah laku, result evaluation or hasil. The next, experimental design, just of the terms that have been understood. The first, dependent variables are variables that are influenced as the result of the existence of independent variables. Example of hypothesis, there is an evoke of using understanding of biological concept. The next, experimental design include pre-experimental, non-design. There are one-shot case design. There is no random assessment subject to the experimental group and no control group at all. Next, post-test only control design, control group, but neither of which the pre-test before the implementation experimentation group. Salmon for group design involves random assignment of participants to four group, two group being pre-test and two not. One of the pre-test group and one of the unpretest group is exposed to treatment. All groups are post-test. The first, factorial experimental design. The factorial design, researcher manipulates two or more independent variables simultaneously to observe the effect on the dependent variables. The first, number A, refer to the independent variable or the type of B, refers to the level of frequency of the treatment. The first, quasi-experimental time series design. This design is suitable when experimenters want to measure the effect of treatment over a long period of time. Our experimenter would continue to administer the treatment and measure the effect the number of times during the course of the experiment. The third, classroom action research. The first, class action research or PTK. The teacher gives action to students, action that are believed to be better than the usual. Research designed to help teacher or teacher find or solve learning problems that occur in class. Why today is important. Make improvement and change for the better. Find models and action procedure that ensure problem solving effort incorporate in learning to make teacher or lecturer sensitive and responsive to the dynamic of learning. Improve the performance of professional teacher or lecturer. Lecturer or teacher become creative and innovative in adapting the latest theory and technique. The form of case study is reflected by action actor with the aim of improving learning conditions. Characteristic of action research. The first, situation. Second, contextual. Third, collaborative. Fourth, self-reflexive. Evaluation. Flexible. Critical model. Part living in one cycle there are four steps: planning, action, observing, and reflection. Cummings and MC Taggart, the text in one cycle are the same as the Lewis model, only there is a replanning in the next cycle. John Eliot, in the one cycle it is possible to have several actions in the one action consisting of several steps in the form of teaching and learning activities, systematic of proposal, development of PTK. Research title, Chapter 1, Introduction. A, Background. B, Problem formulation. C, Research objective. D, Research benefit. And Chapter 2, Literature review and relevant research. Chapter 3, Research method. A, Research setting. B, Action plan. C, Representation. D, Action implementation. E, Evaluation and reflection. F, Research cycle. H, Data collection. Engineering and data processing. Engineering. Research instrument and research schedule. The last reference in PTK cycle, the first researchers identify concrete problem is teaching and learning activities. Two concrete problems are obtaining from observation information from teacher or lecturer interview test. Third, researchers together with collaborators, teacher or lecturer, determine a program that needs to be addressed immediately for researchers and collaborators, teachers or lecturers together formulate an action plan. 6. Researchers and collaborators, teacher or lecturer carry out action 1. 6. Researchers and collaborators, teacher or lecturer observes the implementation of action, evaluate and reflect. 7. From the observation, evaluation, and reflection activities, a number of information is found about the effectiveness of the action that have been given. 8. Researchers together with collaborators, teacher or lecturer, design two action which are explained to be better than action. 9. Researchers jointly collaborators, teacher or lecturer, plan and simultaneously carry out action 2. 10. Researchers collectively collaborators, teacher or lecturer carry out observation, evaluation, and reflection on action 2. 11. From the results of observation, evaluation, and reflection, information is obtained about the effectiveness of action 2 that has been implemented. 12. Furthermore, researchers and teacher or lecturer plan and simultaneously carry out action 3. 13. Researchers and teacher or lecturer carry out monitoring, evaluation, and reflection on action. Action 3. 14. The activity after an effective learning model is found in accordance with the target. Execution of action includes 1. Describe the implementation of each action plan. The second, more than one action cycle. Research results must be in accordance with the aims and benefits of the results. The first, research method. Research object, general and specific description of the object, location, time, and research. Second, action plan. Activity plan, cycle experimentation, retrieval plan, and data collection instrument. Learning plan, data analysis plan. Writing the title of the PTK. The short, clear, and measurable. 4. Research and development. The first, title and step. Research and development. The first, the product development consists of technology, food, medicine, media, models, program. The second, example of educational product. The first, syllabus, assessment, instrument, textbook, teaching, media, strategies or methods. Product design, manufacture. The first file research consists of qualitative, quantitative combination. The first literature consists of journals and book. I think that's all for our material. Let's say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.